Stick around and see how you can get trendy new looks with the new layouts and clip art from Easyview Designer. Easyview Designer has more than 330 new design layouts and over 265 new clip art images so that you can start designing more trendy and professional designs for any market. With all of the designs that we have to offer, we've made it extremely easy for you to find what's new in our new 2020 idea book. Let's take a look inside. When you first open the idea book and jump to the table of contents, this is going to be categorized based off of the templates and clip art. So you'll notice that all of the design layouts are categorized by market. So you can see basic, school, sports, occasions, and work. All right, and each of those have a category as well. And then all of the clip art is categorized in one area. For the design I'm going to be showing you in Easyview Designer that's within this idea book, it's going to be in occasions and in all of our new templates that we offer now for the travel and vacations, which is page 73. So I'm going to go ahead and jump to that now. All right, so this is the template page that I'm going to be working with to try to decide which design layout I want to work with. So you can see that these are all marked as new because these are all of the new layouts that were added to this specific category. I'm going to be working with QVA-13. Let's go ahead and bring that up in Easyview Designer. So once Easyview Designer is open, we're just going to head over to the tabs on the left-hand side and select Add Layout. You'll start to see layouts generating, but since we have the idea book right in front of us, we will type in that exact item number of the layout we want to edit. All right, so we're going to go ahead with the QVA-13. And that will populate into the design center. So you'll notice that our dimensions here for the sheet size is 11¼ by 14. So that's the amount of space we have available to work with and add different items to. So I'm going to be able to completely edit this and add different types of clip art and pieces of the template so that I can fill up this entire sheet. That way we're getting the most out of one transfer paper. Okay, so the first edit that I'm going to do is swapping out this piece of clip art. All right, so I'm going to change the palm trees to a lighthouse. So I can either type in lighthouse or I can look up what piece of clip art I want to add. All right, I know that this is the piece of clip art, so I could have just entered in that item number there, but I can also type in keywords as well. All right, so I'm just going to size this down to fit my template here. And I'm going to keep everything else as is for this portion of the template. Now on to editing the personalization piece of this. I'm just going to double click on the text that I want to change. I'm going to change this from Compton family to Brewster family. And then I'm going to select done. And that will populate with my new text there. And I'm also going to remove this piece. We don't need that portion. And now so that I can start filling up my sheet, I'm going to move this over so that I know I have so much space left to fill. Now, one thing we want to consider is the size of the design, what we want that to be to fit a full front of a garment. All right, so right now it's listed that the width is 7. I am going to make that just a tad bit bigger so that it fits more of a full front. So now that I've shown you how to edit with our new templates and clip art, I'm going to go ahead and fill the rest of the sheet and then select what colors I want to use within this design. And now my completely customized templates and clip art are complete. Once I place my order, my design will arrive and I'll be ready to heat apply. Let's show you what that looks like now. Once your order arrives, your transfer is going to look just like it did in Easyview Designer, but in a screen print finish on a piece of release paper. I'm going to go ahead and cut apart the pieces of the design I want to apply. Then we'll heat apply it using the Hotronix Fusion. Create professional and trendy designs easily with Transfer Express new templates and clip art. To get started, visit transferexpress.com. And don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.